Alright, I'm just gonna do walking tour, not much talking. I mean, I finally got a water bottle, 1,100 real. I still got like about half an hour to walk. That's a lot of fucking talking, man. Especially since I basically talked for like at least half an hour already with my previous videos for today. I think I'll probably put it in the title too, like not much talking. Dude, I just want to buy so much shit that I don't need. The thing is though, like, here in Cambodia, it's like, okay, I can't afford to buy new clothes. I mean, I can afford to buy clothes, period. I'm not poor, but, you know, it's all about your fucking beliefs, you know? All the money I spend comes back to me multiplied. And then all my decision making is like hanging on, you know, do I want to come back in the future? I really don't know. If I'm being completely honest, I would say no because it's too fucking hot here. But what I keep saying and bringing up again and again, it's the price point. It's affordable. Even if the electricity and AC, right, even if it's expensive, and you know your bill is going to be like at least $100, maybe $200, depending on how much air conditioning you need. The bottom line is, that's nothing compared to, you know, other places. When I was washing my hands before, I saw a baby gecko, and I was like, hey, right next to the sink. I like having pet geckos, even though they're not really pets. I mean, it's just like so many of them. So I took a few sips of my water, and then I put it inside my bra to keep me cool. You see what I'm talking about? It stinks, man. But at the same time, I like the convenience of living in a city. And you know, being able to pay with your fucking bank transfer, that shit is fucking dangerous, man. That's how people are gonna get into, you know, money troubles. Overspending and, you know, unnecessary purchases. But if all the money I spent comes back to me multiplied, then I wouldn't even give it a second thought. I would just keep going out there buying more stuff because I have this belief, and I know that if I spend $5, I'm going to get back $15 or $20, right? If everybody had this belief, then I guess that would make the world go round and everybody's economy would be prosperous. I don't know what to say. You know, part of me feels like I'm probably gonna have to fucking visit one of these stores before I fucking leave my house. Because you already know the plant situation in my house. One of them is definitely done. Because I just feel like the plants take up a lot of space inside the house, and I put it outside, and of course one of them just didn't make it because obviously it's an indoor plant, I guess. But you know, the thing is, I noticed that they had some of the outside plants that they put inside, so I knew I took a risk. I mean, I asked my dad what to do, and he said to check the roots, and I was like, oh, that's too much fucking work. I'm not gonna get my hands dirty. All right, keep in mind I cannot see what the screen looks like because my screen is too dim. So just keep in mind for a lot of these walking videos, I'm just gonna say walking tour, no talking. Because really, I mean, I don't want to. Do you guys want me to pass out from dehydration? I mean, I want content, but I don't want to talk. At least I don't want to talk right now. It's too fucking hot. This is not suitable for walking, you see? Okay, time for a new video.